Have you ever enjoyed the scrumptious goodness of cookies? These small, circular baked goods are a popular dessert and snack enjoyed by people all over the world. But where did cookies come from? What types of cookies are there? And what is the cultural significance of these sweet treats? Cookies have been around for a long time. In fact, the first known cookie-like baked goods can be traced back to 7th century Persia. These ancient cookies were often flavored with rosewater. It wasn't until the 14th century that cookies began to resemble the ones we know and love today, thanks to medieval European bakers. Cookies became popular in the United States during the 17th century, where they were often used as a convenient snack for travelers. Today, cookies are a staple of many cultures and can be found in bakeries, cafes, and supermarkets all over the world. There are many different types of cookies, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Some of the most popular types of cookies include chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are made with butter, sugar, flour, and chocolate chips. They are a classic American treat and are loved by people of all ages. Sugar cookies. These cookies are made with butter, sugar, flour, and vanilla extract. They are often decorated with icing or sprinkles and are a popular choice for holidays and special occasions. Oatmeal cookies. These cookies are made with oats, flour, sugar, and butter. They are a hearty and delicious snack that is often enjoyed for breakfast. Peanut butter cookies. These cookies are made with peanut butter, sugar, flour, and eggs. They have a rich, nutty flavor and are a great source of protein. Cookies have become an important part of many cultures and traditions around the world. In the United States, for example, cookies are often left out for Santa Claus on Christmas Eve. In Mexico, the Day of the Dead is celebrated with pan de muerto, a sweet bread that is often shaped like a skull or bone. Cookies are also a symbol of hospitality and friendship. In many cultures, it is common to offer guests a plate of cookies as a way of welcoming them into your home. And let's not forget about the joy that cookies can bring to people of all ages. From the smell of freshly baked cookies wafting through the house to the satisfying crunch of a warm cookie, these treats have the power to brighten anyone's day. The science behind cookies is a fascinating topic as well. Cookies are made up of various ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and more. These ingredients react with each other in different ways during the baking process to create the final cookie product. For example, the butter and sugar mix together to create a creamy texture, while the flour provides structure to hold everything together. Additionally, factors like oven temperature and baking time can affect the final outcome of the cookie. By understanding the science behind baking cookies, we can have fun experimenting with different ingredients and techniques to create our own unique cookie recipes. Cookies are a beloved treat enjoyed by people all over the world. From their humble beginnings in Persia to their current status as a beloved snack, cookies have a rich history and cultural significance. So the next time you enjoy a cookie, take a moment to appreciate the long and delicious journey that brought it to your plate.